This is Mike Shake, and he made $50,000 from one video on YouTube. And no, it's not ad revenue. Okay, I know you hate YouTube and I know you hate videos. Mike Shake did it in 3 steps, but in step number 4, I will show you how you can make $500 plus passive affiliate commission, and it's 99% done for you. So stay tuned. So step number 1.
Video could change everything. And we'll start at the very beginning. Mike's viral packaging formula. What many small creators still do today is create before they think. They will simply pick an idea in an instant and go off and make it without doing a research to figure out whether.
Mike doesn't guess. He only does what's working right now. Keep watching even if it doesn't sound like your thing. In step number 4, I will show you how exactly he made $50,000.
But Mike realized early on that it's important not to try and reinvent the wheel all of the time. And as soon as he stopped making random videos and picked proven ideas, his videos exploded. For example, if we search for his first viral video idea on YouTube, we can see that it was already getting millions of views.
Now you know it. It's amazing. You don't need to be creative. Move on to step number 2
of Mike's genius strategy, and that's making titles that generate curiosity. One of the reasons a video like this gets so many clicks is because it sparks curiosity in the audience's mind. What do you think to yourself when you read a title like this? I learned to type fast, 95 words a minute.
If you're like me, you hate typing. And if you're like me, you hate these title things. Don't worry. In step number 4, I will show you how not to waste your time in this. Use AI, learn super fast, and make fast money. Moving on to step 3.
Curiosity. First, you got to grab their attention. And it's part 2 of Mike's strategy that makes his videos irresistible. As we mentioned earlier, when it comes to YouTube thumbnails, Mike is pretty much a Jedi master. Now, you've likely heard us talk before about how thumbnails should be simple but bright and tell a story.
Who likes thumbnails? I don't. It's a thumb down. But hey, that's how it works. That's how Mike Shake makes money. But it's super complicated, and that's why we don't do this. What we do in step number 4 is super simple. We use AI to learn fast and work fast. For example, I analyzed this whole video and learned everything about the system using AI in just a couple of minutes. Now with this knowledge, I'm going to make short videos just like this one and publish them on social media. Now again, you must be asking, how do I make money from this? Before that, let me show you $50,000 and how we use AI. Mike got 10 million views from this video in just 1 month. So we went to ChatGPT and asked if 1% of 1 million viewers purchase a $1 product and Mike Shake makes 50% affiliate commission on sales, then how much would be his affiliate commission? The answer is $5,000. Hence, for 10 million views, it's going to be $50,000. Now, of course, we don't recommend selling $1 product. What we recommend is promoting $1,000 product instead. So here comes how we make money. From our videos, social media send traffic to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This funnel does selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn 50% of the sale or $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.